This evening we had over 20 students present in our Startup Studio Pitch Checkpoint. This has been the culmination of a lot of incredible work this term, as students came in with ideas that they were passionate about and figured out how to get real traction and turn them into real businesses.
I loved being in the incubator and sharing ideas and spreading out what worked, what didn't, what I could improve on, and then working from there. It was really, really helpful. What other children out there get chances to make their own businesses, like you'll thank yourself in the future.
I've actually really loved getting to learn about my passion. I feel like it's been good because I've been able to see other people's businesses and understand how I can make mine better.
We are teaching them the way that we teach real business founders in the real world, and it was incredible to see those businesses as peers at Macquarie and inspire them to see where they could take their projects.
I've mainly learned what it takes to get put into an actual product and what you need to do to market and design the entire thing.
I think especially with the pitch making and also just with developing our ideas into an actual business plan.
It's not even about the business. Obviously you learn so much, but I feel you just develop really good skills of public speaking, and so many times we get to stand up in front of people and just speak. You just develop so many skills that you don't learn at school.
I think that's what really sets us apart here at Redlands, is that community spirit and the way that we help students with their passions both within and beyond the classroom. So thank you for being a part of it.